let's see the problem reverse linked list. So here, given the head of a singly linked list and two integers left and right, where left is less than or equal to right, reverse the nodes of the list from position left to position right and return the reverse linked list. So here one linked list has been given where its left and right pointer has been given. So left is pointing to initially 2 here and right is pointing to 4. So till left to right only we have to reverse. That means 2 3 4. So here 4 3 2. Another part will be same. So we have to return the reverse list. Okay, just see the explanation. List has been given and two position left and right has been given. So what we have to do, we have to just what reverse the list from left to right position only. That means still from left to right. Like see here link list has been given 1 2 3 4 5 6, and from left to right that means 3 to 5 only we have to reverse. That means 3 next is 4 and 4 next is 5, but here what we have to do, here 5 next will be 4 and 4 next will be 3 and 3 next will be 6. That means till this part only we have to reverse. That means this should be 5 4 3 like this. So just see the approach, how will we do here. Now what we will do, till left minus 1 position, at first this is head, see this is head and this I will take one dummy head also, and I will point this one with previous also. Okay, so first approach will be, we have to move previous till one position less than left. That means here previous is initially pointing to head, it will point to one less position than head. So previous will come here. Okay. Now, now see, actually this one if we rotate, see how much time we can rotate like this. If we rotate this one like this, see from 2 it will point to 5, then it is fine, and 5 will point to 4 and 4 will point to 3 and 3 will point to 6. That means it can be a little bit shifted like this, no? 5 we have to come like this, rotate, then 5 next pointer 4 and 4 next pointer is 3 and 3 next pointer is 6. So we will shift the pointer position here. See how we can shift here. Initially 2 is pointing to 3. Actually there is how many positions between left and right? Two positions. This is on fifth position and this is on third position. So two position we will have to shift. So what we can do, we will take this current pointer and at first we will shift this current pointer to its next to next pointer, because we have to shift one position. So see what I am doing here. I am just pointing 3 to 5. Okay. And next this 4, its pointer will be, its next will be current, and this previous next should be 4. I just mentioned this one temp. So 2 next will be this 4. So see there is now one shifting. So what has been done now? 1, its next is 2, 2 next is 4, 4 next is 3, 3 next is 5 and 5 next is 6. Current is still 3 because we are shifting this one. But what should be our final approach? Our final approach should be like this, no? 1 2 5 4 3 6. So again we will shift here one more position. Just see how. So what I will do, I will shift current to whatever pointer we have taken for temp. I will just take a new pointer, this one again for 5. That means current dot next we have to just target. I will take this target. Okay, so what I will do, this is current. So now current dot next will be, it's next to next. Previously current next was 5, but now it will point to 6. Okay, so 3 is now pointing to 6. Now this 6, which one it will point? It will point to, okay, we have to change, we don't have to change this one now. 6 we don't have to take, we will have to change this 5 temp. So its pointer now will be 4. This was previous dot next, this is 4. Now what should be our this pointer? Its next should be, which one is previous? Its next should be 5. So see now 1 2 5 4 3 6. It has been done updated now like this. See now 1 2 5 4 3 6. So till how many positions are there? 2 positions. So 2 times we will have to do shifting like this of the pointers. Okay, just see the in code, you will understand better. I have just taken some pointer and I have shifted the total number of difference times. Let's see the code of reverse linked list 2 problem. So first condition can be either the linked list is empty or left or right position both are pointing to the same node. So if not head or left equal to right, in that case we will just return head position. Okay, next I will take new dummy node. So dummy equal to list node 0 and it will point to head. I will point with another position, another variable previous equal to dummy. This will be another pointer. Why? Just see, because we will go till one position before to left. So for in range one before position of left minus 1. Okay, and previous will move previous dot next. Okay, now for right minus left times I will shift this whole position of the node, then it will be in the reverse position. Just see, for underscore in range right minus left. What I will do here, I will take at first temp node, temp equal to current dot next. Okay, so I just take one current node, this will be previous dot next. So what is my approach? I just show here. Initially this linked list is like this: 1 2, its next pointer is 3, its next pointer is 4, its next pointer is 5. So I will do one shifting, that means I will do the pointer shifting like this. 1, its next pointer will now be 3, and its next pointer now will be 2, and its next pointer will be 4, and its next pointer is 5. Then I will again do one more shifting, and after that it will be like this: 1, its next pointer will be 4, and its next pointer will be 3, and its next pointer will be 2, and its next pointer will be 5. So see, 1 has been shifted by one pointer here. Initially 1 was pointing to 2, now 1 is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to 2. Then 1 is pointing to 4, 4 is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to 2. That means by each iteration the pointer of 2 is shifting. So here I will take current equal to previous dot next. Here left is pointing to second position and right is pointing to fourth position. So previous will be for the first position, so 1 will be here previous, 2 will be here current, and initially temp equal to current dot next, so 3 will be the current. Now what I am doing, I am changing current dot next equal to temp dot next. That means current dot next dot next. We are shifting 2 pointers. So 2 was initially point to 3, now it will point to 4. See, temp dot next, temp is 3, 3 dot next is 4. So 2 next pointer is 4. Now this temp dot next should be what? So 3 next pointer should be 2. So this is previous dot next. Previous is 1 and 1 next is initially 2. So 3 next pointer is 2. And previous dot next should be temp, 1 next is 3. So see, this is the loop. Now after this, current will be same, previous will be same. Current is 2. So temp will be 4. So 2 next pointer will be here 5. See, current dot next equal to temp dot next. So 4 next pointer is 5. So 2 next pointer is 5. Next temp dot next equal to previous dot next. So temp is 4. So what should be 4 next? Previous dot next. That means 4 next should be 3. Previous is 1. 1 next is 3 here. So 4 next is 3. And previous dot next should be temp. So temp is here 4. So 1 next should be 4. It's fine. So this will be the reverse linked list. So now we will return. I have taken dummy equal to previous. Previous and dummy both are pointing to same position. So dummy is the initial node we have defined. So dummy dot head. Dummy dot next. So this was the initial node, one dummy node, and dummy and previous both were pointing to same position. But previous has gone from here only now. So dummy was initial previous position. So dummy dot next will be initial head position of this linked list. Okay, just run now. Okay, right spelling is wrong. RIGHT. Accepted. Submitted.